Guys, my name is Rodrigo, and in this video I'll show you how to install Plex Media Server on your FreeNas 11.2. This version came out a couple of days ago, so it says here December 5th, and today is the 8th, so it's rather new, and it's different from the previous one, 11.1. The whole dashboard thing is different. It's nicer looking in my opinion, but some things are placed differently than was before. I'll try and make this video as short as possible, so I don't bore you guys. Because yeah, this is also all very new to me. I got a micro server a couple of maybe 3-4 weeks ago. And I've been struggling to install transmission. I've seen videos and tutorials online, but nothing would ever work for me. And especially this 11.2 version, there's nothing online. So I decided to make this video to show you how to do it. I finally figured out how to do it last night, so I'm pretty happy, pretty proud of myself that I was able to do it. Normally I'd ask you to subscribe and like this video, but that's kind of lame. I'm not here to make money off of you guys, I'm just trying to help you. So the very first thing I did was, so it's installed, fresh install. I have two 1 terabyte disks on the server. So the first thing I will do is create a pool, which is here, storage, pools. Okay, add, create a new pool. So there you go, two 1 terabyte disks. Put them over. Okay, name this, I don't know, new, for example. Create, make sure it mirror, doesn't really matter, I'm just here to show you. Create, yes, create pool. Should be rather quick, in a couple of seconds this should be finished. And I'll proceed to doing the next thing, which is create an account, create a new user, which is important. That's one of the problems I was having before. The users wouldn't have access, or permissions rather, and would always give me problems. So let's wait till this finishes. Done. So accounts, users, add, full name, I'll just write new, doesn't matter. Username, I like to put admin. Password, wait, no, admin here. Password, I'll put my password. And repeat the same password. Okay, I'd like to put everything. Permit sudo. Well, yeah, for you guys it might be different. Each case might be different for you, but this is just to show you how to install Plex. So I'll just make it as easy as possible, then you can change it to meet your requirements afterwards. So it's creating a user. Give this a few seconds. Okay, done. Next thing I will do is storage, pools. I will create a data set on this new pool. I will name it, because my plan is to create just two folders, one for movies and one for TV shows. So I'll write Plex movies. I'll make sure Windows, even though I'm on the Mac, I'll just put Windows there. Let's see over here if anything. Okay, looks good. Save. And I will make another data set. This time I'll name it Plex TV. Plex TV. Boom, sensitive, okay. And now I will change the permissions, which is very important. If you don't do this, it won't work that well. Put it here to that newly created user. Okay, accept, continue, yes. The same thing with Plex TV. Permissions, right. Yeah, and normally before I was trying to, I would create the user in the group. So I'd put admin here and admin, and it wouldn't work. So I don't know if that's one of the reasons why. So I'll just leave it. I'll just leave the group alone and just put the admin user. Next thing is to get the plugins available. Now this might take a while since it's a newly installed FreeNas is recently installed, so it's going to look for the available plugins. So I'll probably just fast forward. Oh no, okay, that's pretty quick. I'll install this one. It's the newer version, even though there's a newer version still, but this is a newer version available. Install. Okay, save. Yeah, this is going to take a while, so I'll probably just fast forward this. It says missing, so it's downloading everything that it needs. Yeah, so I'll just fast forward this, wait till this finishes. Okay, and we're back. That took several minutes to finish. Wow, it took longer than I thought. Okay, it's done. It's installed. So yeah, installed here. Next thing to do is create a folder to place the videos that we want. So in my case, I will create one folder for the movies and one folder for the so I'll create, they're already created, the data sets, sorry, and I'll just share them, so I will be able to copy the videos that I have on my computer to those folders so that the Plex Media Server can run them. So go here, sharing, Apple, because I'm on a Mac, add, put here, you just click on a little folder and navigate to the folder you want, so Plex Movies, put advanced, I'll just put everything here to make it easy. Allow everything. Okay. Looks good. Save. And I will do the same thing. I'll share the other folder as well. That's, oh yeah, so it needs since to start the AFP service. So I'll create another one for the TV shows. Okay, new, wait, Plex TV, advanced, accept everything here. Okay, and save. And that's done. So we can have here, it's a quick look at what happened. So data set, the pool I mean, Plex Movies we created, Plex TV we created, and then this IO cage, that's where the Plex server was installed in the jail. Next thing, sharing services, just check something else. So yeah, AFP, it's been enabled. Let's just allow that, make it easier for any future issues. Next thing we will just copy the folder, the files I mean. So here network, FreeNas is here. It's connecting to the FreeNas, to the server. Okay, normally you would have to connect up here and then put the password for the admin username and then the password you created. So yeah, so here at movies, I'll just copy this short movie, make it quick. Oh, I need to, okay, so I don't have access yet. I need to change that. Not a problem, no worries. Go here, I think it's here. But we'll just double check. If it's not here, it's somewhere else, I know. Okay, permissions. yeah, admin, that's good. Okay, check the other one just to make sure. Admin, cool. So it's not this. Let me just check the sharing, make sure everything's good. Advanced. Somehow missing something. What is it? Oh, yeah, let me just do something else first. So create the jails, that might be it. So you have the Plex jail, and so you have to scroll over. That's one of the things when I first installed this I couldn't understand because I knew something was missing to check the storage for the jail. So you go to jail, you go here, scroll over, it is up, so we just stop it, because if you don't stop it you won't be able to change anything, unlike the previous versions. So mount points, this is the same thing as creating a storage as the previous one. So here you put the Plex TV folder that we created before. Let's just start off with Plex movies and destination. Yeah, here we'll have to do something else. It's loading. Okay. Normally in other videos I was seeing, it would just go to media, that's the default. The thing is, I wanted to create different folders. So for example, one folder with the movies, one folder with TV shows, another folder with music, and so on and so forth. And I was trying different ways of trying to do that, and it wasn't working because for some reason I would put media, and then underneath I would create another folder like media, then slash TV or slash movies, and then I would go to the Plex server, and it wouldn't work. I would be able to find the folder, but then the TV shows or movies, it wouldn't appear there for nothing. So what I found out that was that it has to be an empty directory. So this media slash TV, it would work, but since it's in another directory, it wouldn't quite find the TV shows. So let's just go here, root, create a new directory. For example, Plex movies, and this will be just for the movies. Just create that. Cool. Plex movies here. Do the same thing, but with TV shows. So each folder from the source that you want to put in the destination, you have to create a new one. So Plex movies, Plex TV now. Destination, okay, root, and then slash Plex TV. Doesn't really matter, you can name it whatever you want. Doesn't have to be the same as here. I can put like 1 or A. Doesn't really matter the name you give it. So that's that. Let's just make sure, okay, that's good. So let's just run this. Let's just check something up before that, make sure everything's good. Okay, looks good. Next. Looks good. Next. Okay, next. Yeah, looks good. So let's just start this over here. Let's see if the folder, it's not, okay. Ah, there it is. Yes, I don't know why it didn't appear. Oh, it would appear, but then it wouldn't be able, I wasn't able to copy, that's right, because of the permissions, or maybe it was because of the jails that didn't exist, I'm not sure. Well, it's possible now, so let's just copy the movie to the movie folder, which is here. paste that, and do the same thing with the TV show. I just got this South Park because it was small in size, so it'll be quicker to copy to the server. That's a couple of minutes there. So Plex TV, copy that. Oh, same thing. Somehow permissions. Wonder what it is. Could it be the storage? I think we checked. Maybe it's the other one, the sharing. Apple. And this was for TV, right? Yes, for TV. Okay, let's check here. Permissions. Advanced. Looks good. Yeah, looks good. Okay, not sure. Yeah, this is a very much trial and error since I'm pretty new with this. So if something's not right, I always go back and see what's going on. Where is storage? Let's just double check. I think I've done it already, but let's just do it again. Permissions, admin, okay, do that, right. Oh, okay, works now. That's taking a long time to copy. Before it was quicker than this, but no worries, not a problem. So let's just go to jail plugins, Go to here to installed. Let's just have a quick look. You have to stop it, yeah. You know what, let's just finish and wait until this finishes. I'll just fast forward this. Ah, good. Took a long time. Wow. Okay, doesn't matter. The good thing is it's done. So yeah, so we have one video in the TV folder, another video in the movie folder. The thing is, Plex is smart enough to know what's a TV show, what's a movie. So you can eventually you can have everything in one folder and just leave everything as it is in one folder. But I like having things organized, so this is why I'm doing it like this. So that's that. Okay, so we can start this, which is the plugins installed. We'll start the Plex thing. So management. There we go. It's a good sign. Yeah, before, for some reason, I'll click on the management and nothing would happen. I'll just get a blank screen. And then I'm sure it had to do with something with permissions. I'm pretty sure of that. So let's just continue here. Do this. Okay, sign in. Good. We're on our way. Okay, so it's just checking what's the available servers. Plex, I put Plex HP. That's the brand I have. It's HP ProLiant Micro Server Gen 7, I think, Generation 7. It's kind of old, but it's pretty cool. Done. Okay, so yeah, you can just see here all the times I've tried, a couple of times, and this is the one I had before, which is still working. So go here, libraries. So we'll just create two libraries, one for the TV shows, one for the movies. So let's start with movies, add folders. Good. Okay, Plex, and go to Plex Media Server. This was for movies, correct? I think so. So Plex Movies, as you can see, the folders here, the files here, I mean the movie, so I'm happy it's successful. Add, okay, that's good. And just create another folder for TV shows here, right, TV. Yeah, see, another thing that happened to me a lot was that I wasn't able to get this this file over here, this slash thing. I would just get the Plex, and I can't navigate in that. So I would go here, but nothing's here for me to navigate to. It has to be in this root server, root folder, I mean. So I guess this has to do with permissions as well, because I tried a lot of different things. I was experimenting with a lot of things and nothing really worked until now. So if you follow this guide, it will work for sure. As you can see right now, it's the first time I'm doing it. The second time yesterday, it was my first time that worked. So yeah, movies, Frozen, right here, and TV shows. It's being updated, so that might take a while. No, maybe I didn't. Did I? TV. Okay, here, South Park. Okay, changes. So let that update. So yeah, that's weird. Plex TV. That's weird. It should say South Park. But either way, you can always change that. Where is it? Match. Yeah, you can always change that. Doesn't matter. What matters is that it appears here. So yeah, everything's working fine. Everything's good. I think that's about it. I don't have anything else to say. Just, you know, if you enjoyed this video, if it helped you in any way, just let me know. If you have any other questions, any queries you might have, just go ahead and ask them. I'll be happy to help. I love helping people. So this is it. I plan on making another video after this one, showing how to install transmission. That's what I use to download the torrents. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.